Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving with the next topic of your statistics. This is what is mean, mode, median. In my previous video, I have already shared what is a statistics, different type of statistics, and what is a descriptive statistics. Now I am making this video on the individual topics, which is the most important, and you are going to use it most oftenly during your feature engineering, data analysis, and model building. So let's continue with this topic, mean, mode, median. And so stay with me till the end of the video. Keep learning, keep patience with Science Data Science. So let me share my screen, my whiteboard. Here we go. Okay. All right. So you are going to learn today about mean, mode, and median. If you have missed my first video, I will share the link in the list description box so you can watch that. Okay. So here we will take a very simple example first. So let's say height. Okay. So let's say you have a height of few students in the class. It's a 150 centimeter, 155, 120, 140, and so on. Okay. So we can add one more, 135. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate the average height of the students, then you use the method mean. Okay. So it is denoted with the mu sign. Okay. And the formula is summation of your xi divided by total number of your elements present in the data. Okay. So here we can say I. So if you want to calculate now the average height of the student, so what you will do? You will do like this, 150 plus 155 and then 120, 140, 135. And how many numbers you have total? 5. So this is this one, and x1, this is x2, x3, x4, x5. This is all your data point. Okay. X2, X3, X4, X5. Okay. So whatever value will come up, this is called average. Okay. So we also call these terms central tendency. This is basically for the descriptive statistics. I will show you at the distribution as well. Okay. So when I am drawing this bell curve, right? So whatever value you have count here, let's say you have counted, we can take it and let's assume 3, 4, 5. So let's assume the average value is 105. Okay. After the addition and divided by the total number of the data points present in that. So this is called central tendency. So this is called mean. Okay. Like mu or average. So these all are your data points, but you need to understand if this is the mean value, this means your maximum data point lie here. Okay. This means your age, average age between your this value lie here. This is called mean. Okay. And this is the bell curve shape which you are looking at right now. We call it Gaussian distribution. And we also call it normal distribution too. Right now, you don't need to worry about the distribution because I will make the next video on the type of the different distribution in statistics. But just try to understand the concept. What is the meaning of central tendency? Mean. So this means this is your average. This is the average value. Maximum data points lie here. And this is we also call it like that. This is a bell curve shaped. And then this is called normal distribution. Okay. And this is the like about the use of like the mean. What is the mean, right? And how we calculate it, how it look like on your distribution of the data. Now we will move ahead with the next one, that is your median. Okay. So I will take this off. Here we go. So we will clear this one first. So we can make a diagram for the over next one, that is your median. Okay. Here we go. Now we will talk about the median first. Median is also the part of your central tendency. If you heard about the measures of central tendency, this is same. Okay. Because we want to find out the central value of your data, where the maximum data lie. Okay. Now we will take another example about the median. Okay. How would you calculate the median? Median means the middle value. Okay. So let's say this is the like value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So median is of a two type. One is your odd and one is your even. Okay. If this is the odd, first you will sort it. Okay. You need to sort the data first when you want to find out your median. So here we will do 120, 135, 140, and here we go 155, sorry, 150 and then 155. Okay. So this is if you are trying to find out the median, you will just pick up the median value out of this. This is called median. Okay. But in case I am adding a one new value in this. Okay. So we will add one new value in this. So let's say I will add here 160. Okay, so we will add 160. So we will sort it first 135, 140, 150, 155, and 160. In this case, you cannot pick up any middle value, right? Because this is even. So for this, you need to pick up these two values. You will take the average of these two numbers and divided by total your these number. Not all, only the two numbers you are taking the average of this one. Okay. So it will be your this one and this is your median value. So on the like the graph, how it would look like. This was your mean, middle like the average value. Your median may like will be here. Okay. Because previously we were assuming the value of your mean was 105. So this is 105. So your 145 may lie here. So this is called median. Okay. So this means when you are finding the median, the maximum value lie here. Okay. Now I will tell you why you should use the mean. Okay. What is the reason? We are not calculating the mean. We are calculating the median instead of the mean. Although the purpose of the median is also the central tendency to find the maximum distribution of your data points at the center of your data. So here I will give you the another good example. So we will remove these. Okay. So this is done. Now I am adding here one number, right? So let's say I have added the height. We can add it, let's say 250. Okay. So I am adding this number. Now, if you are going to take the average mean value of this one, So you will do the addition of all these. 120, 140, 135, 160 plus 250. And how many numbers you have? 3, 3, 6, 7. Right? Let's say somewhat the average value of this one come up. We can just make the addition of this at a random number, right? So its mean value come up around maybe 200, right? We will take this one, okay? After divided by 7. This is, I'm just picking up randomly, okay? Just taking the assumption after addition of all these numbers divided by 7. Now look at the difference between here 105 and this one. So there is a huge difference between the mean value, right? If you try to plot the mean value, central tendency value here, it will not come in the center, right? It will be go around here, maybe here, right? Which is not good in any way for your feature engineering, your data analysis, and for your model building. Because in this case, your model may get biased because the central position is not at the right position. Your data distribution is not normal. Okay. So this is not the good method if you have some values which is not around the same units of other elements or data points present in your data. Okay. If some value is very, very far away from your other normal values, this means there is a outlier. We can say in technical term, we call it outliers. Okay. And in that scenario, we don't use the mean, we use a median value instead. Okay. So in this case, you will sort it first. You will sort the number for the median as I told you previously, 120, 135, 140, 150, 155, and then 160 and 250. Okay. So we will pick up, we will leave these three numbers here, these three number here, and this is going to be your median. Okay. Now you can see it was a 105 mean value. Here your median is 150. It is still little bit around your mean, right? So that's why whenever there are some values which is not at the with the same units like other data points, there is a huge difference, then you should use the median instead of mean. Okay, during feature engineering. I will give you real-time example as well. First is try to understand the mean, mode, median. Now your third term is mode. So mode is also the very like the common your central tendency measurement you use for the descriptive data. Okay. Now we will remove this one. Okay. Okay. If I add a one more number in this, let's say 150. Okay. So if you want to find out the mode, you will count the number which is occurring most frequently in your data. So 150 is coming repeating 2 times, other numbers are coming only 1 time. So 150 is going to be your mode. This means your all data points lie around the this range. This is your central tendency, like the value, where your maximum data points lie within this range. So this is called mode. Okay. Now we will move ahead. Like I have already told you when you should use mean and median, right? You can use the mode basically when you have the, we also call it most frequent too. First. Okay. We basically use it for categorical actually. Okay. You can use it for categorically, mode for nominal one. Okay. For ordinal one, you can again use the median as well after converting it. Okay. But it depends on it. But basically mode is used for categorical values. Like which category is most oftenly occurring in your data set. I will give you a very good example. Let's say you have a one column. It's about the car brand. There is a Toyota, again Toyota, then you have BMW, and then you have a Audi, right? This is a missing value. So instead of using the mean and median, right? For this, we will apply this method, the mode method. So which value, which category is occurring most of the time in your this feature? Toyota. So you are going to fill this missing value with Toyota. What is the methodology you have used? Mode. Okay. So this is the use of your mode. Okay. Now I will give you the another very good example for the your mean mode median. Let's take a one column of age. We will delete this. Sorry about the line, it's not straight. So this is the one age, right? So let's say age is between 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and this is the missing value, right? So in age, let's say age is an independent variable. It is not depend on like any other value. Okay. The one way you will take fill the missing value with the mean, right? You can use the mean for this one. Like you will take the average, first you will find the average age and then fill it with this one. Okay. The second method is median and mode. Okay. So now how would you decide which method is good for this kind of the feature? First of all, your age is your numerical data. Okay. Second thing, you need to check if the all units of the age is around same. Okay. And then you can go with the mean strategy. Okay. You will take the average and fill it with the, let's say average value come up 32. So you will fill it with the 32. Okay. But there is a one more scenario. There is a one value here. This is a missing value. There is a one value which is coming around here 80, right? So in this case, mean will not work. As I like explained you very well in the previous few minutes ago, if there are some value exist in your data which is very far away from your average mean value or other data points, because 80 is not close to 40, 35, 30, 25, this, right? It's very far away from your all these values. And you want to fill this missing value, then you should go with the median. So first you will again sort the data. 20, this is already sorted, right? And then 3, 3, 6 or 7. So you can pick up the 30 as an average value. So you can fill it with the 30. Okay. And this is a way how you need to use mean and median when you are filling the missing value. Okay. There is a one more strategy. There is a different type of the missing data. This is MAR, MCAR, or MNAR. Okay. So if you want to know about it, you want to take a deep dive, which method is best for you to use when the missing value is there, which method will work like in a good way, then you can watch my other playlist, Missing Data. I will share that link in the description box. Then you will have a more at a deeper level understanding. Our goal was today, according to the statistics, what is mean, median, and when you should use it. Mode example, I have already given you the like the car brand, how you can use the mode over there. Okay. So this was the all about over today's like video. In my next video, I will like continue my statistics series with the next topic, and just stay connected with us. Keep learning, keep patience. So keep learning, keep patience with Science Data Science. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel to become expert in AI. Thank you.